Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this chunky and super cozy blanket. It is unbelievably soft, it is warm, and it has such an elegant look as you can see. I had so much fun making this blanket, and the best part is it took just about 6 hours to make. I know, super easy and super quick, and it's perfect for beginners. So I cannot wait to show you how to make this blanket. So let's get right to it. Right, so for this project, I'm gonna be using the Bernard Big Blanket yarn. I'm going to use about 6 or 7 skeins of this yarn. Because of how chunky this yarn is, it's quite chunky as you can see. It's chunky and quite fluffy. We're gonna be needing a big hook. So I'm gonna be using a 25mm hook for this project. So let's get started. So first we're gonna make a slip knot. Then we're gonna place our hook into that knot, into that hole. And then we're going to go ahead and chain 51. Make sure you don't make it too tight. Make it just slightly loose. So I finished chaining 51. Next, we're going to skip the first stitch from the hook, and then in the next stitch, we're going to place a single crochet. Next, we're going to insert our hook into the front post or the side post of the last single crochet, and then we're going to place our hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull a loop. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. So next, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Let's do that again. So you're gonna insert your hook into the side post of your last single crochet, and then you're going to insert your hook into the next stitch, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, we insert our hook into the side post of the last single crochet, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. So you're gonna repeat that all the way till you're almost at the end of this chain. Just remain 1 stitch at the end of the chain, and then I'll show you how to end this row and begin the next row. So we're almost at the end of row 1. So I have 1 stitch here remaining. I'm gonna insert my hook into the side post of the previous single crochet, and then insert my hook into the last stitch, pull a loop, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's the end of row 1. So now we're gonna chain 1 and turn our work. So now we're going to go ahead and insert a single crochet into the first stitch right here. So making sure that we're inserting it through both loops, not just one loop, just both loops right here. So we're doing single crochet. All right, next we're going to repeat what we did last row. So pass your hook through the side post and then insert your hook into the next stitch, pull a loop and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Again, we're going to pass our hook through the side post of the previous single crochet and then insert your hook into the next stitch, pull a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So you're just gonna repeat that all the way till you get to almost the end of this row. You're gonna remain the last stitch on this row, and then I will show you how to end this row and begin the next one. So we've reached the end of the row and we have just 1 stitch remaining. So you're just going to insert your hook into the side post of the previous single crochet and then insert your hook into that last stitch, pull a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. So now we're just gonna chain 1, gonna turn your work, and basically you're just gonna repeat the last row over and over again until you get your desired width. I'm gonna do a few more rows, and once I get to my desired width, I will come back and I will show you how long and how wide my blanket is, and I'll also let you know the total number of skeins that I used, total number of yarns that I used. So just continue the last row and meet me back, and I will show you the final result of my blanket. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end of this video. So I ended up crocheting 14 rows, and it took about 9 skeins of yarn to make this blanket. So it definitely takes a lot of yarn if you want to make it longer and wider. I wanted it to be long because I wanted to just cover my entire body. So yeah, so that's how it turned out. You can see it's really beautiful. You can see the design, you can see the braided design. It is absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.